Apple. We all know Apple for being late to implementing features in their devices, but when they do it in the Apple way. The same thing is happening with VR. There have been rumors and leaks regarding Apple's plans to enter the VR/AR market, and many experts expect the company to release a headset sometime in the near future. Some reports suggest that the headset could be released as early as 2023, while others believe it may not be available until 2024 or later. According to some sources, the headset is expected to be a high-end device that will feature eye tracking, hand tracking, and 8K displays. It is also rumored to be a standalone device that will not require an iPhone or a MacBook to operate. We expect that this entry into the VR/AR market could have a significant effect at the industry. The company has a history of disrupting industries with its innovative products, and its entry to VR could lead to increased competition and innovation from other companies. Additionally, Apple's strong brand recognition and loyal customer base could help to popularize VR/AR technology and make it more mainstream. This could lead to increased adoption and investment in the technology, which could benefit the industry as a whole. Overall, while the specifics of Apple's VR/AR plans remain unknown, many experts believe that the company's entry into the market could have a significant impact on the industry and lead to increased innovation and adoption of the technology. If you found this video useful, you might be interested in watching these on the screen right now.